So I've worked in manufacturing for a total of 25 years. By far, this is the best culture that I've ever been involved with.
Absolutely love working here. This company is very much trying to be family focused, both for my own family and for making me feel like part of their family.
You usually work with the same people. It feels like a family. Everyone knows each other, everyone knows what they like to do.
I am approaching half my life at HUI. I like the environment. One of the things I appreciate that HUI has helped me do is they have allowed me flexible break times so that I can take my kids to school. On any cases that we have overtime, I'm allowed to do my overtime on the weekends so that I can still get out it by the time my kids get done with school.
I haven't worked for an employer before that truly wants to see their employees grow and develop. HUI really sees the value in developing their staff.
The reason to check out HUI is that it is like a one big family. Everyone's got each other's backs. We all like to have fun and get along. Working at HUI is a pretty good time.
They really do want to make sure that you are at your top performance, because when I win, we all win. I mean, they genuinely mean it. These people really want to see you succeed, and we all take pride in that.